loud. Simple people acting so proud, proud. I hear them talking about us. Yeah.
Hey friend, welcome back. Thanks for stopping by. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you what my daughter's bathroom looks like. I made her bathroom over about a month ago, and it is a rental. So what I did had to be budget friendly and renter friendly. So I did put contact paper on the vanity base and on the light fixture. For this makeover, we didn't spend a lot of money. We pretty much used a lot of things that my daughter already had and some of the things that I already had. So these mirrors I purchased from the Dollar Tree in 2016 when everything was $1. Do y'all remember those days when everything was $1? So I thought these would be a nice addition to put into the room. So I used some double-sided tape to adhere the mirrors to the wall.
Why don't you get it by now? Tell me what you learned in grade school. Give it to me like you want it. Did you forget that golden rule? Why is our love it one-sided? It should really be given to.
Bought 2 canvases from the Dollar Tree, and I'm doing a DIY. I'm creating a picture frame illusion. I painted the perimeter black, and I used this gold trim to frame the inside of the canvas to make it give an illusion that it's framed.
I'd rather just tweet it and delete it before we cross the line and we reach a point we can't rewind. Rewind. Tell me what
I used my Cricut to create the words for the frame, and as you can see, it wasn't coming off easy on the canvas, so I had to place the letters on the canvas by hand. But you will see that it says wash your filthy hand and not your filthy hands. I didn't notice until I was editing the video, but I did fix it, but you won't see that in the video.
knowing you won't read it before we get too far away. I need to clear my mind. I'd rather just tweet it and delete it before we cross the line and we reach a point we can't rewind. Maybe I need some space, need somewhere else to go, to release, to relax, to let my emotions flow. But for now, I tweet it and delete it, knowing you won't read it before we get too far away. I need to clear my mind. I'd rather just tweet it and delete it, oh, before we cross the line and we reach a point we can't rewind.
Y'all ready to see the bathroom?
Issues, I know I got issues. Hate you then I miss you again. Selfish, I can be so selfish. Spend more time when meeting your friends. Please forgive my attitude. I want my cake and eat it too, but a little grace would be enough for me to prove that baby, you're the remedy. You're my he's all you see. Tell him you got his keys, cause you thought he needed them. But he's not coming back again. So he's gone, leaving then. You won't see him again. It was convenient, but you won't be staying friends. And you know that, sweetie, you know that. Think you knew it before, but you just ignored that. So now you won't take backs, but there's no refunds here. So you sorta hurt, it makes you see clear. You were just lost. But now you found, and you realize he wasn't at all like what you created in your mind. He wasn't even nice, he wasted all your time. You didn't even like him in real life. He said he thought it would be nice if we went for a ride in his dad's Jaguar. Swept up in the moment, sitting in his car. But you know he won't take you far. And you know that, sweetie, you know that. Think you knew it before, but you just ignored that. So now you won't take backs, but there's no